Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my new YouTube channel. A lot of you guys were talking in the comments section on my old channel and saying things like, hey, I want to know more about your Subaru Forester build. So you asked and we listened. So this channel is going to be all about my 2005 Subaru Forester. So let's take a quick look. Well, hey guys, thanks again for stopping by. Make sure to leave a comment, subscribe. We got some more awesome stuff coming. Today was just a preview, but we got some really cool stuff coming. We'll see you guys next time.